Hi, I'm MaryDigsLA, and welcome to my absolutely adorable new listing at 6605 McLennan Avenue in Lake Balboa. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features new hardwood flooring, dual-pane windows, and recessed lighting. The kitchen has been fully updated and remodeled, and I just love this window above the sink. This spacious enclosed patio is the perfect place for entertaining or playing, or even a great place to do crafts or read a book. If you have any questions about this charming home or to schedule a tour, please reach out to me. Thanks for watching.